Once it was a forgotten relic, a monument to decay left to surrender to the elements. Close-up shots reveal its history of neglect. Deep rust spreads like a disease across its panels. Scratches mar its once proud form, and its headlights are now just shattered, empty eyes. The glass is a spiderweb of cracks, and lifting the hood exposes a dirty, silent engine choked with grime. In the cinematic shadows of a forgotten garage, dust particles dance in the faint light, settling gently on a surface that hasn't seen care in years. This isn't just a car, it's a ghost of the road waiting for a second chance. The first step toward rebirth is a baptism by water. A high-pressure jet unleashes a powerful stream, blasting away years of accumulated filth. Thick mud and stubborn dirt surrender, flowing away in messy rivers, revealing the metal underneath. Slow-motion shots capture the satisfying violence of the water, with every splash and droplet reflecting the bright sunlight. This is more than just a wash. It's a purification, a cleansing ritual that marks the beginning of a remarkable journey from forgotten to unforgettable. With the grime gone, the true work begins. The transformation starts by stripping away the past. Workers move with purpose, their tools a blur of motion as they remove the old, faded paint. Sanders grind against the bodywork, sending showers of sparks flying through the air like miniature fireworks. Fast motion sequences show the raw, metallic shell emerging, a blank canvas ready to be reshaped and reborn. The workshop buzzes with the sound of creation, each spark a sign of progress. Now the car's very bones are mended. Skilled hands work to undo the damage of time, meticulously hammering out dents and welding new life into the corroded metal. Glowing sparks fly as welders fuse the frame, restoring its strength and integrity. Under the focused glow of cinematic workshop lights, the surface is polished to a flawless, smooth finish. The battered wreck is gone, replaced by a perfect sculptural form, its curves and lines restored to their original elegance. The moment of alchemy arrives with the first coat of paint. A fine mist of liquid gold sprays from the nozzle, settling onto the primed surface. The slow-motion spray catches the light, each metallic flake shimmering as it spreads across the car's body. This isn't just paint, it's a layer of pure opulence, creating deep, luxurious reflections that hint at the grandeur to come. The golden hue flows like molten metal, wrapping the car in a blanket of pure, unadulterated luxury. The transformation is complete. The entire car is now a vision in pure gold, a spectacle of automotive extravagance. Its finish is so perfect, it acts like a mirror, reflecting the world in a dazzling golden sheen. Even the wheels and the interior have been given the Midas touch, with every component gleaming. The car sits as a singular, breathtaking piece of art, the very definition of ultra-luxury. The final detailing elevates it to another level. Close-ups linger on the intricate gold rims, the custom gold steering wheel, and the dashboard that now shines like a bar of bullion. Under the soft interior lighting, every surface glitters with diamond-like reflections, a testament to the meticulous craftsmanship. In a luxury showroom, cinematic lights switch on one by one, revealing the final masterpiece. The golden car rotates slowly on a platform, its flawless reflection shimmering on the polished floor as dramatic music swells to a powerful crescendo. Later, the car owns the night, cruising down a city street as vibrant neon lights dance across its golden surface. Fast-motion tracking shots follow its journey, a blur of speed and light culminating in the final, definitive statement, from rust to gold luxury.